Come on, girl. Morning.
Hey, mister. Come on, girl.
I don't remember putting the weapon
Hey,
sign
move
up, so get lost. Go on and get lost.
Here.
Folks like you make me hate people. this camp ain't as cozy to strangers as you might think.
Let's get you looking good. Yep.
Oh, Christ. Best behave yourself. We don't want any more of that trouble around here. Unbelievable.
I ain't seen you here before, mister. That horse will be well looked after.
Okay, girl. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Now, come on. It's okay. Well, at least it ain't your job.
Ah, shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
I can scrap, Arthur. I'm just no good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
Ah, you're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, eh? Real fucking funny.
Calm down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yeah, well, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, eh?
Grow up.
And let me come on the raid with yous.
Raid?
Don't be playing coy with me, son. It's unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has set up. What you're doing out here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
Oh, that. So Marston told you? It ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Now compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
Anyway, Arthur, what's your problem with me? In fact, don't tell me. I already know. You're threatened by me.
Threatened by you.
Yeah, my youthful vigor. It intimidates you.
Does it?
It's a story as old as the hills. The changing of the guard, the fading of the light, You're toast, old man.
Okay. And what are you?
I'm the future, in all its glory.
Well, good luck. Good luck and shut up. I want to get some rest before nightfall. Wake up, you lazy son.
What are you doing here, kid?
I'm coming, John, on the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am, and it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses, love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen, let's go earn some money. Yep.
Hey, all the horses untethered?
Think so?
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon enough.
Apparently, picks up a new team of guards in the state line, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
Slow down. See, this is what I mean. I disappear for a couple of weeks and you cut me out of all the action.
Just the action that requires a brain. Are you trying to kill those horses? They're left here, towards Rhodes.
Ha ha ha. You're a funny fella, John Marston. From my folks say, you had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new scar like you're gonna buy a breakfast in the morning. Go easy on them horses, will you?
You don't know what you're talking about.
Stay close on this. Wouldn't want you getting scratched by a squirrel or something. That could put you out of commission for the rest of the year.
Hey, slow down. Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
Plus, I've still got some blood in me veins. You old bastards have forgotten how to live.
I blame you two for rescuing them. Hey, slow it down!
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
Yeah.
Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks.
Watch
Are you
out.
crazy? Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this right, nobody needs to die here.
Yeah, yeah.
Easy. Watch out now. Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this right, nobody needs to die here.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's get it on the tracks. Whoa, whoa. Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, ha! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
What's going on here? What's going on?
Nothing good.
I'm going aboard. Make that quick and join us on there.
All right, hey, get on that train.
Bastard. All yours, Captain. We'll go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and one party will get shot. Go! Everything you got!
You're
Money, valuables.
Unnecessary, please.
There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
Quel monde de sauvages.
I ain't got nothing.
Want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
Please, don't help me.
Come on.
Mais c'était pas la tristesse.
What's the problem here?
Please don't hurt me.
Money, valuables, now!
Don't do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay. Come on. Okay. In the bag,
God
everything
damn
you
it.
got. Keep it coming. Don't be shy.
People like you make me
Get
sick.
robbed.
These two seem to think we're playing
Everything
games.
you got.
Shit.
I'm gonna count to 3. 1.
I am.
Damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. And I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says, so this can be
Ladies
over.
and gentlemen, this is the robbery.
Money,
Let's make this
nothing
quick.
else. Make me hurt you.
You boys need me.
No,
Okay.
you go ahead and look for the
Sure
baggage
about
car.
that? You show this son of a
you wasting
bitch
our
we ain't
time,
playing
huh?
around here.
Quick, come on!
What did I do?
Everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my
Pay
friend.
me what you got, mister. You won't get hurt. Don't make me hurt you. Put it now! Son of a bitch.
Come on, cup it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go. I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Okay. None of you folks move a muscle. You hear me?
What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taking a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
For fuck's sake. For fuck's sake. Get up, you little Irish shit. Get up.
What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taking a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
For fuck's sake. Sorry. Come on, get up, you little Irish shit. Get up.
This time I'll look and you...
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Hush! Smith! Get ready!
Men, come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only 2 of you fools! We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the 2 of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Eh? There's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
We won't tell you again. There they are.
And we got more coming from the trees there. Careful, Morgan.
Behind us! We got more of the bastards right there! get the hell out of here!
Move it!
We need to move now, Morgan. What are you...
Right, let's lose him. Yeah. I got you.
Come on, boys, let's get the hell out of here! Let's go, girl.
Ne? Kaç güne tuttu? Bana ne yapıp üşüyorsun alabileyim mi? Hı? Ne? Kaç güne tuttu? Bana ne yapıp üşüyorsun alabileyim mi? Senin de olsun, benim de olsun. Ben sana Senin de olsun. Okey. Bizning davosi chiqib turmaymi? Sengstirangmi ajr? Desktop deganda chiqadimi?
Let's go. Stay with me.
Dead on alive. Mikrofon bas koyuyor işte. Söyle. İşte düştün mü ya просто kaçmışsın varsın. Короче, поезд туда Oh my god, takılan. Pagi? Hah? Windows sambil finish pagi. Skip passadas pela mão.
Come on, boys, let's get the hell out of here.
Action board.
Right, let's lose him.
Ah! Azrael.
That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup?
Yeah.
Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine. See if I can get something started.
Valentine деген
Either way.
Ha? Valentine деген. Valentine деген қалаң атымыз ба?
Hey, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't
Қалаң
follow.
атқан.
Of course not, boss.
Қалаң. 1 milyon 500 dolar. Senin basın ama? He? Senin basın ama? 1 milyon 500 dolar oldu. Evet, dolar bak. Qaqta bile senin basına tegilgan aqshasan bile. Вообще dolar aqshadi. Bo'yib ber. Mülk baratkan 1500 мың бар. Shadows die twice. Kill. Shadows die twice. Public. Atlayalım. Ha şöyle edelim. Birigran yani yok. Qanday o'qadi desang? Birigran? Birigran ona qasa basaylar tasmara. So ana. Elden Ring'den keyin tartib oldim. Ha, Elder o'ynaydi, ketaversin, shu tartib oldim. Elder o'ynayman ba? Bo'ldi. Politsiya sivroda Politsiya rejimi. Besh temizlik. Monitor yolg'on turdi. Oldi. 4-5 kesib. Sen streaming şurada görseydik. Yok katkan var ya. 4-5 yok katkan var ya. Telefondan gözüm ölmeyeceğim mi? Onda.
Hey, partner.
Ben 4-5 kim o?
Hey there, partner.
Gözüm hiçbir şey. Bırak telefondan gözüm bilmiyorum. Gözüm 4-5 kullanmadım.
Hey there, mister. Hi there, mister.
Morning.
Hey, mister.
Hey mister.
Good morning.
Hey there.
Hello.
Hi there, mister.
Is something wrong with you?
So, feeling better? How's the scar?
I heal pretty fast.
Lucky you. So you just lazing about, or you got any leads?
I got something. You see them?
Sure. Well, you see yourself as a shepherd now?
Maybe. Come on.
Well, where exactly are we going?
Collect something. Help us get some sheep.
You know, that attempt to seem all enigmatic and interesting, that might work for Dutch, but for you, it just makes you look stupid.
Come along.
We'll
We'll see. That train job is a start, but we need more money. Until we can get back to Blackwater and collect.
I'm here to tell you. We try to collect that money anytime soon, it'll come with a noose.
Where'd you say that? Dutch says that we...
Dutch says a lot.
Sen ortadan da missiya
That's his
oynab berdi.
gift. Saying things.
Oh, yeah?
What
do you mean by that?
I was a prize pony once.
Yadında
Now I'm the workhorse.
yok da mı? Bir şeyden
Dutch is...
Ne koyayım? Hayır diyorsun sen. Benim söyleyeyim. Sen poizdan kaçardın yadında yok mu?
We already seen Pinkertons here. New century's coming. This life, this way, well, we're the last, I reckon. And we ain't long for it.
And that's the way it goes, I guess.
For me.
Ana stream.
yes.
All right.
Poizdan izine koyup
What are you
mindin ba?
waiting for?
Poizdan da nega meni to'xtat. Nega dedim buni? Atımda alam. Men ko'r atdi. Qayta to'xtatding poizni aldına zat qo'ydingiz ba? Aa. Ana konteyner deyman, zat ishni bejiryapman.
It ain't wise to stroll through here after what you did, friend.
What? Ne oldu? Jojo. Ne oldu ya? Attım ama. Body'di. Ya ava usmishya oynadın mı sekre? Ne oldu ne? Aldı oynayalım. Hani? Ne değil de? Ava üst missiya oynan daha.
Just need to pick up something.
Atın bonusu bu arada spor.
Ne değil de? Ava üst missiya oynan daha.
Cöce.
There's a hitching post over there. Tether the horse and I'll meet you across the street.
I already don't like how this is going.
Мен гасын чекін қайталап кетті. Chat GPT.
Gun store.
Yep. Can you, head in, pick up a sniper rifle? I'll explain later.
Oh, well, hello again. How can I help you today?
Looking for a rifle? Something with a sight on it.
Shouldn't be a problem. You want to see what we've got? It's all in the catalog here.
Men endi ekran men uchun streamda sendek ekran chekadi.
İşlev gerek.
Oncha yerda tekshirib ko'rib ola beraman qo'yinchi.
Hayır. Ne nazar? Niye kadar?
Qanday?
Unan.
RTX 3090 ba?
Erkek olsa.
Bilamiz. 10 million? 13'e görüyorum sen.
Onun için skit devam ediyor.
Solayca.
Apple alacak belki.
Crash basacak olsun.
Apple'da bazamayacak. İlk çok.
Apple mı? Koy Apple'da 36 koylama olur.
Onu edip olacak mı? Başkasına edip. Sondan yapacağın da saklayıp Apple'dan beri.
Aqtan bileyim. Sen 30-60 деген Apple'da şey mi diyorsun? Bunday bo'lmaydi dedi u deb bayram qildi. Mazza qilaylik. Endi keyingi akşam monitorlashni yesam o'zim.
3 soat olib meni.
Endi ertangisini ko'brik bilan next ketmaymi o'zi ishga.
To'playmi? Ko'raman.
Shuncha
İstemeyen aldım da. Her yerde aksat gidiyor.
Good?
son al.
Let's go.
Oy boy.
Why couldn't you have done that?
Oh man.
Done what?
Bought that gun.
I had a run-in with that fella earlier.
Sakır.
We ain't on the best of terms.
You had a run-in. I've had a run-in with half that
Ha, stream
town.
sheet bo'lsa aytsa nelar qaytaqlaydi deb qo'ysak bo'ladi.
Why you being so cagey about all this?
Bilmem ne kadar Steve.
Always playing some goddamn game.
Senin için
Me? I ain't the one taking Jack on fishing trips.
Arkadaşım yüzümü
No,
götürdü.
if you ain't. If you say the boy ain't yours, what's the difference? You probably only run off again.
Why are you so interested in my life? Ain't you got one of your own?
Cöce.
Just do one thing or another. Not be two people at once. That's all I'm saying.
It ain't that simple. You know that as well as anyone. Same as with you and that girl. What was her name? Mary?
That was different.
Nasıl seni özgürlüğü dedi? O da ba.
Kim o? Özgürlüğün.
Yerden böyle.
Sаған айтпаймын ауыз. Тарса басын тастамаймын оған.
тастайды ғой кешегі басқа еді бүгін басқа болып кеткенде.
Өзгертілді.
Olmaken sabah oldu. Onun öylesi.
Bir ağız kola söyledi.
İlk parayı kullansak. Bela yeniye var atri. Atri çok koyuyor.
Olmayacak.
Bela benim.
Var mı başka? Olmuyor.
Aslan mı bilmiyorum. Dar koymak. Yok la aralamam. İlk gide götürmem. Tek birinci etesine kaydı.
Aslında dışarıda var ya. Anlaşıldı.
Kontrakt bize tutsun.
Shut your mouth.
9 milyon. Не стоит колбаса.
Sen ekran olsun qalay qayda qo'yasan edi? Yurib qo'ysan. Streamda. Streamda qalay ekran olsun. Men ma eslayman.
Sen eslatib
Ay, eslamay turibdi-da. Olsun. Ha, ekranda olsun.
Jay eslatib turibdi.
Jay eslab turibdi, bor.
Hemen chiqib ketdi.
Aw! Aw! Kelamanjar.
What? Hadi.
Oh, it ain't. Just the same.
Anyway, for the love of God, will you tell me what you got me doing here before I turn around and hit the breeze?
There's a herd of sheep coming down to auction from Emerald Ranch. Folk in town were saying the owner's trying to stamp out every farm from here to Ansburg.
Yeah, I know that place.
Let's head up to the ridge up there. Get a proper view.
Ramiro. Messi or Ronaldo? I don't know.
So I'm thinking that the herd will make it to auction all right, but a couple of new ranch hands will be collecting on the sale. Doubt the town will care to notice too much.
Why we need this rifle you couldn't buy yourself?
Reckon we shouldn't get too close. At least not till we know what we're dealing with. Let's see what we can see from up here. Okay, I think that's them over there.
So what now?
Put a shot in near them. I reckon they'll hightail it. They're only ranch hands. Just watch the sheep.
I'm back.
Necessary. Yep. All right. All right. Let's go round them up.
Hani yapıyor?
Sniper mi çocuk onu?
Quick, before they all run off.
Değmezsin mi beni?
Mount up. Let's go.
Sniper mi o değil?
Come on. Let's get down there. Let's go get the strays.
You ever work on a ranch, Marston?
No. You?
They here or there, but not much.
Most cowboys I know were dumb as trees. How hard could it be?
I guess we'll soon find out. Let's get these things. Bring them back to the yards.
Neyse sen dosya istedik bilmeyince.
Pretty
Ne
scattered.
istesem senin dosya istedik bilmez sana da istedim. Ya sen İran dosya kuruyordun ben sana. Kimin çıkaya aldım
So,
işte.
you were saying?
Pretty scattered. Let's get them all rounded up.
Canım var. Çok.
Söyle. Ha ha ha. Bo'ldi.
All right, I think we got them all.
Tushundimiz. Bizning dosya nima esda turmasa?
You know what?
Mikrofon ostida tursangiz
Why
yaxshi,
don't
ama
you
qiz.
leave the sheep to me?
Yeah.
You ride
So they
Shang,
make it all up.
keep watch for any trouble.
Yaqinda tursa uncha emas chiqadi.
I brought you in on
Sarg'a bormaydi-da, yaqinda tursa. Ostida tursa sarg'a bor.
Trust me, this ain't the right time for you.
Ya qasma qo'ydim.
Learning how to herd.
Qasma qo'ymadi.
All right, whatever
Yok.
you say.
Hazır normal.
Done arguing.
Hazin normalmi?
O.
We'll just route back to
Haz qasimda
Valentine's
turibdi-da.
right around that mountain.
Okay.
Haz qasimda
Like I
turibdi.
said,
Iskine.
I'll handle this.
Senki normalmi? Chotki esli. Chotki esli turasiz. Endi streamingda qaydim.
That's it.
Çok canım var. Çok. Bunda PC'ye вообще qancha
PC-ning o'zini 7 ketdi. Monitorga 1.5, 8.5. Почти 9. 9 ketdi-da. To'g'ri emas-ku? 9 ketdi. 9, ana 7.5, 8.5. Böyle. O'zing yaxshi qilsang, baribir boshqa joyga. Bag'ana mikrofon ananda yo'q. Ne qilib qo'ygan? Biday. Kompyuterga ana ayrilib qoladi, jalqanmaydi. Üzülüp. Shunday bo'lib qolgan ekan, aytib dog' chiqmaydi. Nega dog' chiqmaydi diye bor ekan. Keyin ko'rsatib, ay shunday bo'lib qoldi deb. Shunday bo'lib qolgan, sen uzilib qolgan ekan, aytib. Bag'ana uyishib qoldi dedim o'toq. Undan keyin shunday bo'lib qoldi-da. Haydamay ketganmi dedim bir yer.
You ain't helping.
And the shinobi lost everything. Both the man and the woman. It's protected.
Çekiyor basalım.
Close her up, boys.
Elden Ring vaqtda. Son kampanya shot qo'ydi.
Fine sheep.
They're okay.
Well, you seen better around here?
I've seen ones with less ambiguity about their
Bir
provenance.
gün kezgüstik anjir.
What you trying to say?
I'm trying to say, you give me 25%
Hozir endi
kickback.
Sekiro'ga kirib ketdim.
I won't say nothing to nobody.
Everything all right?
Ya hozir Stik barasın.
Sure, I'll excuse you.
Ne oynuyor? Space'e dönüyor.
25%.
You want me to put
Huh?
another hole in your head? Folks swing for rustling livestock.
Benim Steam'de.
Hiç.
25%.
Zaten işte o yapma.
15,
20.
18.
Done.
E?
Zaten şu koymadan. Zaten.
Zaten
Calm
şu koyayım
yourself,
ben.
friend. Just think of it as
Stream
buying your
Stream
sins.
sniper okumayınca da.
You're
Ya
bad.
o modu.
But we're paid.
Stream step
Go on now.
Zaten şu koymayız. Çat katasta yapıyor.
Come back
Good
to
one.
the auction. You'll
Link
get your money.
YouTube'da link tasladım. Stream
Dutch is
sniper.
waiting for us at the saloon.
Gözüne de tasladım. Zaten şu görmedi biraz. Ayıttı da bırak. Zaten şu kesti. Çıktı.
%18%. I thought we was doing the robbing
Stop
here.
streaming.
Still good money.
Well, thanks for
The
all
case
the
to
help
Glasby.
with this. Can't herd, can't swim.
Give it a rest, will you? We ain't kids no more.
Well, never really was.
Not everything, but in the end, I don't believe in absolutes, just shades of gray. Compromises.
Compromises. Well, I have never...
Gentlemen,
Dutch, Leopold.
Where have you been?
Working. Marston's thing.
Good. And?
We're just waiting to get some pay on a few sheep.
Leopold, my good friend, as long as you're here, why don't you and John go make sure there ain't no funny business?
Of course.
Gentlemen.
Drink?
Sure.
Nothing like talking to old Strauss to make you want to blow your own brains out. I should have left him where I found him all those years ago. Bookish little Austrian, fresh off the boat, his eyes out on
Instagram
stalks.
olsa
Well, I
Stream
guess
falan
the
yeni.
Dutch Vanderlyn Finishing School has
Üçüncü basayım da.
strange graduates.
That it does. To your good health.
Yeni de şu çamaşır sel adam gülemedi bulayım.
Vanderlyn!
Anda shortlar salgırdı TikTok.
Get out here!
Андай прикол voqealar bo'lgan sal kerak da.
Şeygene Minecraft çalsam falan etti bile.
Dals olmay qata. O'shanda bor.
Robbing me!
Mengiden geçti.
Андай
My name is
Masa андай video isteymen degan o'y bor anda.
Emes.
Minecraft.
I am not a man to
Ya
be
masa men
messed
korum degan bor
with
anda.
by the likes
Tigralarni
of
baqib
you.
baqib o'tirib. Ko'rgan ham kelsa.
Get out here!
Ko'rmaymiz.
Before I have these men killed!
What do you think?
Stoldu mu?
Well,
Uh,
you depraved piece of
Unda.
trash! You start spinning the yarn,
Yele streamda sen bor.
when I think the moment's right, I'll make a move.
Oh.
Why not?
You rob from me! Vanderlyn! You're done!
Yeni de-
Now get out here now!
Deal with this nonsense.
Please, gentlemen, this is a terrible mistake.
Öldürmeyecek koy.
This is a case of mistaken identity. What is worse than admonishing a man for the
No
sins
latency.
of another who wants to be the Messiah? Not me. Nor
이게 사다 보시는구나.
we are just gonna walk out of here.
Save image. Counter strike him.
You're fine.
I'm not fine.
And let's get out of here. Hurry up, Arthur. Let's get out of here. Get him on the horse and let's go. You make sure nobody's following us. We'll get back to camp. We're gonna gather the troops and get them to start packing up. Ugh.
Sure. We can't stick around after this.
Let's go! Yeah!
I better get out of here. What are you
Wait.
Ой, жоғында ат жеңді ма? Ана отқа барып жанып кетті ма өздеріңіз? Жылында сатып
Өзің кетіп қалды ма?
Ал өзіңіз миссия ойлап отырсам артында Ne var?
Qaytgan mana. Qo'y, qaytib keladi. Chaqirib berding o'zingni.
Ha?
O'zingni chaqirib berding.
Bechora.
Valentine soqqalan açadimi anca? Qartani bu?
Aytdi sanki. Urush bo'ldi. Urush.
Hozir deysin.
Qo'rqitdi. Gözü alıyor mu? Yok o.
Değil.
Ata vermeyin dedi. İşler. Kurmayı söylüyorum. Yapıyorsun. Yolu asla.
Guys. Guys. Good. Good. Yo! Ben seni öldürdüm ben. Yo! Uy. Ben seni öldürdüm ben. Oyut bastalı.
I better get out of here.
Sonrasında yol canım umitpan enterli.
Yep.
Horror stream stick beğencer ya. Horror stream stick var. Horror stream var. Ne mesela videomuz. Aa. Stream normaldeyiz değil mi? So. No. Server nesin? Kırgızıp dişine server ya. Guys, my stream is over.